Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm meteorologist Sam Kenny, and today I want to talk about a few things. One, the tropics, and number two, our water temperatures right now. If they're going to help develop our tropics over the next few days, and if the south is going to get any rain anytime soon. So let's jump right into it, okay? So here's the Tuskegee. You can kind of see a little bit of a jet stream pattern right here. It's not really doing anything over here, but there is. Whoops, wrong marker. You want it? There's really nothing going on over here, but we do have a big ridge of high pressure that is going all the way up into Canada, that goes over the United States and back into the Atlantic Ocean. We do have a low pressure system right over here. It is stalled over the southeastern region, and it is rotating clockwise. You can kind of see all the air currents that are circling throughout this low pressure system. And our ocean waters are still very, very warm. Look at these, all the purple and the pink on the ocean waters. Those are indicating 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So they are helping favor our storm right now, Hurricane Jerry. I'll zoom in on it so you guys can see it better. Where is it? I just lost it. Where did it go? Where did it go? I apologize for this. Jeez, where am I? Am I over Asia? How is I over Asia? That was weird. There we go, that's much better. Where's Jerry? Oh, there he is, okay. So this is currently where Jerry is, right there. Here is the Dominican Republic. Here's the Dominican Republic. Here's Puerto Rico. As you can see, it is way offshore. It'll give us a little bit of information on this storm. The location right now is 2151 north latitude, 6543 west. I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's it. That's pretty much all I have about Jerry right now. But look at these water temperatures, close to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Those are definitely favoring this storm. And we also have 3 more storms right now, hurricanes, I believe, in the Pacific. Currently, we have. Where did this storm go? There we go. We currently have Lorena, Mario, and Kilo. I do want to show you guys the infrared satellite provided by the Weather Channel. This is the enhanced satellite. As you can see, this is Jerry right there. As you can see, it is definitely developed into a hurricane by now. As you can see, we are watching a few other waves, but they really aren't going to grow anytime soon. But while I'm here, I also want to show you that we're getting a lot more development off the western coast of Africa. Look, we're watching 3 different areas right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 different areas that we could be watching come off the western coast of Africa. Now our big picture right now is Jerry. This is going to go way out into the eastern, into the northern Atlantic, so we don't have to worry about that anytime soon. But as all of these waves come off the western coast of Africa, they could potentially head into either the Gulf of Mexico, head into Puerto Rico, head into the Bahamas, which would be absolutely catastrophic because they are still rebuilding everything from Dorian, or it could head towards where either Roberto did or where Jerry's going to go. There's still a lot of uncertainty, but there is really no precipitation. This low pressure system that I was just talking about a minute ago, that's installed over the southeast, it has no precipitation in it at all. So the southeastern U.S. is in a very big drought right now. Here's the current radar. As you can see, there's nothing in the southeastern region. There's a stationary front that stretches across the midwestern part of the United States, heading into Milwaukee, near Chicago, and also near Oklahoma City. But look at this. Anywhere east of this big line, which I'm about to draw if I can get my marker, thank you. Anything east of this big pink line that I'm drawing, there is absolutely no precipitation. There's a little shower in Arkansas, and there's a few showers near New Orleans, but there's nothing over here, unfortunately. So if you might want to turn on your sprinklers for your lawn, because we aren't supposed to get any rain anytime soon. I will show you guys the 10-day forecast. Let me show you the monthly forecast so you can see when you guys are going to get more rain. This is from Rome, South Carolina. Look at this. Our next day of rain is supposed to be possibly on Wednesday the 4th and Thursday the 5th. But look at this. Wait, you know what? This was actually past. Excuse me. Let me move to October so that I can show you guys. There it is, October. So this is currently our forecast for October. They don't have too many days, but look at this. We really don't have any rain. Sunday through Saturday, look at this. No rain at all. Because what this front is doing, let me go back to my radar. What this low pressure system is doing is it's making the temperature is very, very warm in it, and it's really creating non-moist atmospheric conditions. So if there's any moisture in the atmosphere, it's soaking all of it up. Plus the clouds aren't too thick, so if the sun is going to also evaporate that. But just look at this again. There's really no rain across the United States. I mean, we have a few showers throughout Montana, and we have this huge sold-out front across the Midwest, but there's absolutely really no rain in the forecast. But let me just show you again this major wave that we are currently watching. Going back to the tropics. Once again, here's Jerry right here. But look at this. We have several more waves coming off the western coast of Africa. As I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more waves. So we have to be watching this very, very closely because even though we are past the peak of hurricane season, does not mean that we will not get another hurricane. But look at this. We might be getting another hurricane. It's not out of the question. So over the next few weeks, until hurricane is over, you need to be watching your local news station or watching me very closely so that either me or your local news station can give you all the information that you need about these storms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.